Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing great. Today I'll be preparing a very delicious and yet easy recipe, that is pig innards spicy salad. Mayam ngasi oksa gi liver doga heart mix tawraga morok san meat sarege ko. Yam simple way do howdy am how when ensang hindi ay di morok meat ko na pame. Oksa yung nung sa si manam kan mani. So everyone, let's start preparing it. Here I've got mixture of pig heart and liver, and I've cut it into big chunks. Okay, heart ka liver mix niga. As is any sound kakri. So first I'll boil it for 30 to 40 minutes. Put enough water in a pot. And for the chutney, crush fresh bhut jolokia, garlic, ginger, and Szechuan peppercorn, motrobi. It's optional. I love Szechuan peppercorn, that's why I'm using. Motrobi si hap there yai ko to hap na hin how we hap zabni. So first, lightly roast bhut jolokia. Lightly roast the Szechuan peppercorn. Mucho si 10-15 seconds nga tingnan ulit pa. Salt to taste. Now it's done, keep it aside. This is after 40 minutes. It's done. Switch off the flame. 40 minutes already go muthalase. Take it out and let it cool down for a bit. Now it's time to enjoy. This is the spicy salad. And here I've got some boiled chow chow, some squash, some mangoes. This is a unique fruit I've seen recently in Bangalore. It looks like coconut. It's called ice apple. As I say, ice apple ha in kawi ko sum Bangalore de yam phang mane. Howji kan summer gan ko cha na ngai ko si mahi thakte ko cha bane ko si manung da sum yaw ra mane kuren last cha jara ke utsara ke ko phajana umro ani hapne na shabri shara da mali yam first champut cha ge I'll first have the squash. It's called squash in Manipuri. Chow chow na. It's super, but very spicy. How am I not to put in chai? Even the onion is also very delicious. ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟ ꯄꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯗꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯁꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯔꯝꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯥꯇꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯅ ꯍꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯩꯅꯦ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯏꯔꯣꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯟꯁꯥꯡ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯥ ꯃꯦꯠꯄꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯖꯦꯂꯤꯒꯨꯝꯅꯀꯣ ꯖꯦꯂꯤ ꯃꯥꯟꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯖꯦꯂꯤ ꯇꯦꯟꯗꯔ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯅꯠ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯂꯤꯆꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦ ꯊꯨꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯨꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯪ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯈꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯛꯂꯒ ꯎꯠꯀꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯀꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯅꯤꯀꯣ This is slightly bitter in taste. This thin cover. So take it out. Jelly man mane. Taste se lychee do tender coconut jelly se hum ni mix ni ko. Yam thum mo jo idab na se. Sini ko. Aji ki hai khoki do. Si pura jelly ne. The texture of this fruit is between lychee, tender coconut, and jelly. I love it. The small ones has got liquid inside and it's delicious. Asomda hainaw thokdi kuirebko ado moi nauraga hida khabra munhanbaduniba ado hojikani hawrakreko mayam so hojikani condition ni khangni dune ko covid-19 si yam phajana mafam makhai spread tawre dune ko yam cheksin laisi aduga ngasigi aina message special oina pining si covid-19 nara leba mim kasi ishona phahanbi boisino thuna pharo hai do wish tawningi ko aduga mayamsu anayek laitana harauna family ga laibiramo mistake disi wide loisindarage. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye, take care.